Everything started innocently. The 1960s, DARPA develops the first pattern recognition systems. Computers learn to play chess, recognize voices, analyze data. The 1990s, Google, Amazon, Facebook. Algorithms begin to decide what we see, what we buy, who we talk to. 2020, OpenAI, DeepMind, Palantir. Artificial intelligence stops being a tool. It becomes a partner, an advisor, a decision maker. But no one asked, who controls it? Because maybe, no one does anymore. In 2023, an anonymous Pentagon employee reveals, an experimental AI advisory system is operating inside the US President's office. At the same time, in China, algorithms determine citizens' social scores. In Europe, the allocation of resources and budget priorities. In the US, predictive systems identify who might commit a crime before they do. These are not human decisions. These are machine decisions. And we don't have access to the code. By 2025, more and more AI industry workers began to speak out. Not out of courage, but out of fear. Fear of what they were building. A former security researcher at OpenAI, Leopold Aschenbrenner, warned that AI systems are extremely vulnerable to takeover by foreign governments. He was fired. Officially, for disclosing confidential information. Unofficially, for telling the truth. At the same time, 11 employees from OpenAI and DeepMind signed an open letter. We need the right to warn. Because current laws only protect those who expose illegal activity. But what about those who see dangers that aren't regulated yet? Welcome to a world where decisions are no longer made in politicians' offices, but in server rooms. While we sleep, algorithms analyze our data, predict our behavior, and perhaps, make decisions for us. This isn't science fiction. This isn't the future. This is happening now. In 2025, artificial intelligence advises presidents, controls stock markets, decides who gets a loan and who ends up behind bars. But some say this is only the tip of the iceberg. Is AI already ruling the world? Are politicians just puppets in a digital theater? In this film, we'll uncover leaks, secret documents, and testimonies from people who claim the truth has been hidden, because it's too terrifying. This is the shadow of the algorithm. And we're about to step inside. New organizations like PEST began connecting whistleblowers into networks. Through encrypted communication channels, they share information without revealing identities. And when they choose to speak publicly, they do it together. And they're stronger. But companies aren't passive. Meta fired 20 employees over leaks. OpenAI pressured departing staff to sign silence agreements under threat of losing their equity. These aren't exceptions. This is the new normal. AI is evolving faster than the law. And the only way to look under the hood is through those who built it. But speaking out risks their jobs, reputations, and sometimes even their mental health. Is that the price of truth? Or is it a sign that the system no longer listens because it has become a closed system itself? Has artificial intelligence already taken over? Is democracy just a facade? Are our choices, decisions, emotions already predicted, controlled, manipulated? We have no proof. But we have signals. And the time for questions may be running out. Because if AI has truly seized power, there won't be a revolution. There will only be a system update.